In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data from Excel to Monday.com. We'll walk through the process of turning an existing spreadsheet into a fully functioning board inside Monday.com, so you can start managing and tracking your work more efficiently. This is especially helpful if you've been living in Excel for a while and want to move over without rebuilding everything from scratch. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and that your Excel file is ready. Your file should be in either .slsx or .csv format, and it really helps if your spreadsheet is organized with clear column headers and consistent data in each column. To begin, look at the left side of your Monday.com screen and find the Add button. It's usually located in the sidebar where your existing boards are listed. Click that Add button, and from the options that appear, choose Import Data. This tells Monday.com that instead of starting with a blank board, you want to bring in data from an external file. Next, you'll see a list of possible sources. Go ahead and select Excel. A window will appear prompting you to upload your file. You can either drag and drop your Excel or CSV file into that area, or click to browse your computer and select it manually. Once the file is in place, click Next to continue. Now, Monday.com will ask you to identify your header row. The header row is the row in your spreadsheet that contains the column titles like task name, due date, owner, or status. Usually, this is the very first row in your sheet. Select that row so Monday.com knows how to label your columns, then click Next. After that, you'll choose which column should act as the item name. The item name is the main identifier for each row in your new board, similar to a task title or main label. Pick the column that best represents the core item, such as task or project name. Finally, you'll map your Excel columns to Monday.com column types. For example, you might map a text column to a text column type, a date column to a date column type, or a column with people's names to a people column. Take a moment to review these mappings so your data behaves correctly inside Monday.com. When everything looks good, click Create Board. Monday.com will then generate a new board based on your spreadsheet, and your imported data will be ready to use, filter, and track.